Meet Lex. She's lost one of her keys, so now we're going to show her how to prepare a new one.
Oh, it's rotten air. Oh my god, I hate this car.
Sorry, what?
Do we need the front of the car?
Just reverse it 2 feet. Handbrake down.
I hate the car.
Because you've lost one of our keys, you need to take the original key and you're going to prepare a new key, okay? So you must duplicate the original blade. You need to prepare the key ready to be started with the vehicle, because when you get these keys, they're blank. They don't come prepared to anything. So you need to tell it what it's for. So how do you know what you're doing?
I'll use our app.
You'd use our app.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you locate the vehicle that we're working on, so this is a Mark 6 Golf, Mark 5 and Mark 6 Golf share the same platform. Yeah. So you found it, well done. You found it.
It's just loading.
It's loading, okay. So what happens is, behind this case, we have to pop this open. Boop. There is a circuit board, okay? And inside the circuit board, there is a little chip. This is what we call a transponder. We have to tell this chip, this is going to be an ID48, because this is what this key system runs on. So if you look on the schematics at the top, you'll see ID48. So this tells us that's the chip we want, and also it says the blade on there as well. Can you see the blade?
Yeah, HE66.
HE66, correct. So when we're decoding using the Dolphin, we need to prepare it under a HE66. The transponder, we need to go onto the Key Tool Plus, tell it what transponder it is, but you can use the modules and it will show you step by step. So it will show you how to prepare the remote and the chip, and then how to do everything else, okay? Create it into an ID48, so it's compatible.
5KO, no.
5KO, that's it, perfect. Yes.
Am I being stupid? How do I know if it's connected?
That's it, that looks good.
Right, nice. Does it matter what way the battery goes in?
It does, yeah. So on the top of the battery, it has a plus symbol, and on top of the actual circuit board, it should have a plus too.
That's helpful, isn't it?
So back to the home page. We're going to go on Generate Transponder. Scroll down, we're looking for an ID48.
How do I get out of that?
Press a button. That's it. We're going to go on Generate Transponder. So now this transponder is now compatible with this vehicle, and we are now ready to program it.
Oh yeah.
So what I'm doing on the video, the chip goes into a little hole just in there. The flat side should go down first.
Like so?
Sure, yeah, that's good. That's it. That's it. Now you can put the circuit board in.
I'm a natural. Woo! I've completed that one.
We want to get the key ready, yeah? We need to duplicate the blade first. So this is where we're going to use the Dolphin to do so. So you're going to take the original key, you're going to go to the machine, and then you're going to locate like vehicle database.
Ooh.
Was it HE66?
I did Golf, Mark 6, and then that's where it's put me.
So yeah, luckily for you, it is on HE66. So that wants you to stick the key in that top drawer. That's it. And then push it forward so it stops on like the little shoulder. That's it. Perfect. That's it. Now clamp that in. Yes. Get up.
Nice.
Now we want to hit
Decode key.
Yes. Okay.
Check me out.
Okay.
I do listen to you guys sometimes.
So do you know what this is doing now?
No.
This is calibrating, and then once it calibrates, it's going to read like inside the key, and it's going to work out the key bit in. That's it. And then that key bit in, we can then like print basically straight onto this key here. Cool. So that is our key bit in. And then what I do like to do, I like to take the key out and I like to hold it sideways and then just like match it. If you have to hold it the other way around, that's it. And then you can match like the key bit in, and the pattern kind of resembles.
Yeah, I see
on the screen, yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. So then you're going to take your new blade, put that into the drawer.
Does it matter what way it goes in?
Well, you have to cut both sides, so it doesn't matter what way you do it first.
Just cut?
Correct, that's it. Send it.
Nice.
So because we are cutting, it's good to shut this down, because if we get any of these key filings in our eyes, it's going to be bad news.
Have we got a painty brush?
And although she works here, this is actually her first time cutting the key, preparing it, and today going to be programming it as well. Sorry, buddy? Yeah, he's in the toilet. He's not having a polo.
It's got to be sharp then, isn't it?
Sharp?
A little bit.
Always stay sharp. Oh, the blade, sorry.
Yeah.
It does get a little bit sharp, yeah. Sick. So that's one side.
I'm doing cleaning. So I assume that I'm flipping that, yeah?
You are indeed, yeah.
And I'm just pressing cut key again. It's the same pattern, yeah?
Correct, yeah, that's it.
Health and safety and all that.
So we're almost there. We've almost got the key prepared. We've done the chip, done the remote. You've done that pretty easy as well, following the video. Nice and easy.
They're very
if
simple.
Lex can do it, anyone can.
Anyone can. Is the next bit like going to boggle my brain?
No, it's easy. So the next part, because we have a working key already, we can use the original key to like log in essentially.
Okay.
And then once we're logged in, we can just read the data really fast. Once this is done, we'll have a key coded within a couple minutes.
Nice. I'm coming for your job, Tyler.
Oh yeah.
No.
We're gonna get a mobile Lex on the road.
Can I have a pink van?
Pink van.
I want a pink van.
No pink vans. We need to attach the blade into the remote, okay? And then you'll see this like little pin. The blade goes into the top one way. This is what we call GOSO pin tool. This is how we insert blades into pins into blades, sorry. Are you all right with that?
Yeah.
You got it.
Oh, yes.
Do you want me to take it? If you drop that on the floor, we've lost it.
I know where this...
Can I intervene?
Yes, please do.
Sure. Watch this, okay?
Oh.
That's it. On here, different holes. Different holes with different size pins. Once the blade's in the correct way, we're going to pivot it like this.
Yeah.
Then you're going to hold your tool up underneath.
All right,
put the blade in there, and then you're going to squeeze, okay?
Cool.
Good luck.
I reckon I'm going to be great at this. Oh, shit. Never mind, I take that back. How do you do this?
You want me to show you how to hold it?
Yeah.
Let me show you. Right, watch this, yeah? I've got the blade.
Nice.
Easy, yeah? And because look, if you hold it differently and this moves, the hole won't line up.
Yeah.
Okay, so hold it, bum.
And then like that.
Okay.
Spectacular.
Technology! You got to go from underneath. So then you would have to like lift it all up, essentially, and like look from under. So don't push too hard. The aim is just put it in there a little bit, okay? So squeeze a little bit. You should be able to like release and come away. Is the pin getting in a little bit?
Yeah.
That's it. Right, now use just the top random bit to like the middle bit, sorry, just to push the rest of the pin in.
Just like that.
Yeah, that's it. Squeeze it. Send it home.
Ah, bosh.
All right. Does it flick and rotate without getting caught? Yeah. Okay. Right.
Check me out.
So now we need, what is this called?
Key tool plus.
Key tool plus. Cool.
I've got that. I know that one.
I need the key tool plus with this lead, okay? This also connects to the top of the device, goes in one way, all right?
Yeah.
Then you're going to want to plug this into the diagnostic port of the car, okay? So this is where you're going to want to use the app. So we probably should go to the car now because we're at the point, okay, to go. So if you don't have the original key, we can't log in and do a key. We can't like plug in. If you just get that connected. Do you need a torch?
No, I'm good.
You sure?
I'm an independent woman.
So you are going to need this. Plug that in to the ignition. Turn the ignition on. The ignition has to be on, otherwise we don't get any communication.
This is going to automatically detect what cluster this is and the system that we are working on.
So if that bar is loading, that means you have clicked the correct option. So you can now just continue watching the video.
Natural.
Step-by-step tutorial.
Once we've read the data, we can then reset the instrument cluster, which will turn the clocks back on. So click OK to save. And just save it in this folder here. Beautiful.
Nice.
So now,
Oh, that's the same here.
correct, that's it, exactly the same.
onto the transponder. So I'm going to stick my new key into the side of the key tool. So I'm going to generate, load the emo data in.
EO1.
Key position 1, that's it. So
Smash him. So I'm taking that one
Have
out.
key 1 and it shows the ID here. So we now can write the new key into key slot 2. So I'm going to put the key back into the ignition, turn the ignition on. Now I can stick my key back into the key tool plus and I can click cancel. Now we are greeted with all of the key slots.
you didn't press cancel, you pressed OK, didn't you? So
Yeah.
just press OK again, that's fine. That's it, now do the cancel.
Oh. So key 3.
Whoa, watch the video, watch the video.
So let's
Why
generate.
can't they be used?
Because there's no data in there, and it says on there as well, key 3 and all the way to key slot 8, it says FFF can't be used to generate keys. Because basically what we're doing is, there's 2 keys already stored into the cluster, okay?
Okay.
One of them's missing, right, the one you lost. So
Yeah.
key 1 is one that's in the ignition now, right? We're going to clone the ID, so the keys, see key 2, and it says 78B8, blah, blah, blah,
Yeah,
blah. We're cloning that position straight from the cluster.
Right, so
Okay.
but if you could have more if you had more on the cluster.
Yeah. If there were all IDs stored there, you can clone any slot you want. So cool. Now you can test that in the ignition, make sure that starts.
Like a dream.
Yes. Cool. So now... Is he drilling or something? Let's see what he's cutting. Bloody hell, yeah, me and you both. You had a big turd in here. We were trying, that's all right.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. Are you finished drilling now?
I'll have that.
Yeah! Oh, you're drilling the floor. Oh.
Ah,
Okay, right.
concrete.
Let's firm it, bruv.
Nice.
We've done the transponder, now it's just the remote, yeah? The remote on these vehicles are done separately. So you're gonna wanna watch the next video, which is learning the remote, and that will show you how to do that.
Or this one.
Yeah, programming the remote.
Go to VW, well then we're going to go to by type, and we're going to scroll down to remote system.
Have I done this wrong?
You did accidentally press another button that you shouldn't have pressed. It's okay though, it's going to cancel. And also there's no power on the dashboard, so we'll fail programming mode as well. So let's try to log in.
Do I need to put the key back in?
It's good to have a key in ignition and a dashboard on. Now you can just press OK on the tablet. Are you a bit lost?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Locks.
Was I meant to press something?
That did come up with a prompt on the screen telling you writing in English of your next steps. So it's okay.
There's so much writing.
It's okay. You can just press OK.
Okay.
Okay, and then you can run that again. So that'll time out after a couple of seconds, and then once that's done, then you can test the key. Sick. So the central locking won't work on the key if there is a key in the ignition already, so you have to remove that. I'm going to shut this door.
So,
And now you can do your operations. So yeah, sick. Start.
so I can open the boot with this?
You can open the boot. There you go.
I'm cool enough. So I fixed my error of losing your key.
You fixed the error.
Nice.
I'm missing time and stock now. But overall process, how did you think that went?
The app made it easy.
Okay.
Like, following the step-by-steps just made everything
I didn't have to
so
intervene
much
too much though, did I?
No, not at all.
Help. Help.
I just
Yay.
use my own key that I've just made because I'm a cool kid.
So you do have sensors?
Yeah, but they didn't fucking work, did they? No. Nice. Oh, but... Oh.
Oh, Lexi.
Oh, what day! Fuck's sake.
Look at it.
I was
You're
trying...
enforcing stereotypes one day at a time.
Is it all good?
Yeah, you fucked that.
Have I actually?
Yeah.
What?
No, I'm joking.
Mate, I just wasn't paying attention. I was trying to choose where I can park.
In someone's bumper.
Yeah.
Lexi.
I know that was already like that, man.
So if you are a complete beginner, like little Lex here, this could be ideal for you. If you're looking to learn more, you want to earn more, then this is the place to be. We have over 400 community plus videos. We have a community chat, live POVs, discount on our shop, Lissy search, registration search, and much, much more. Discounts available now. Hit the link in the bio, and I'll see you guys on the Academy.